Brick Chick here with a tutorial on how to make a really cool and simple Lego shelf. That would be perfect, for any office or living room, really any room. It's very simple to make. It looks cool. And it is, minifigure scale to the right height for minifigures. So, let's get started. Alright, now here are the pieces that I'm using to build the shelf. But keep in mind that you can substitute some of these pieces with other pieces if needed for you guys to build this. And you guys can use whatever color pieces that you would like. So, you will need one plate. It can be like a regular plate or a base plate. I'm using one in light gray. Then you will also need a wall. You'll also need, some bricks and smooth tiles to make a wall for the house or building that you're putting this shelf in. I already have one assembled. And then you will need 4 1x1 bricks. I'm using them in tan. And then you also need 3 of these, like 4x4 triangular plate pieces, and I'm also using those in tan. So, let's get building. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to build a wall to put in this room. Just like I've said in other tutorials, you can make the walls tall and long as you want. If you're actually going to put this in a house, I'm going to build a wall really quick. Then I can put it in here. Just kidding, I already built that. And now I'm going to show you how to make the actual shelf. So basically, I'm just going to take one of these 3x3 triangular plates, and I'm just going to place it there in the corner, press it down. And then I'm going to take 2 1x1 bricks. I'm going to place them on top of one another. And I'm just going to place that back there in the corner so it looks like that. Then I'm going to take another one of these triangular plates. I'm going to place that on top of that assembly. I'm going to do the same thing with the 2 1x1 bricks there. Just drop that in the back. And finally, I'm going to take another one of these triangular plates and just fits on there, and it looks very cool. So now you know how to make a very cool and simple Lego shelf. That would be perfect in any room, really. And then I can bring my Brick Chick minifigure in here, and it is the right height for minifigures. And you can stick books and a vase of flowers or DVDs, whatever you want on this shelf. So, I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and thanks for watching.